Hi! This is Gabelito, and you know what it is? Tonight, nasa aking harapan ngayon ay walang iba o DC. McFarlane's DC Multiverse Atom Smasher from Black Adam movie. Wait. Sino nga ba to? Albert Julian Rothstein is a superhero appearing in American comic books published by DC Comics. Atom Smasher is known for his power of growth and super strength. The character made his live-action debut in the Flash series, portrayed by Adam Copeland. He also appeared in Black Adam, portrayed by Noah Centineo. My first ever McFarlane DC Multiverse. Ooh, look at that! Let's take a look at the box. Okay, movie logo, name, DC Multiverse, side, Atom Smasher, super size Black Adam, movie logo. Ooh, cool art. Nice. McFarlane Toys. Otherwise, it's in the box. Some Echeborreche. Up. Logo again. Price tag. Uy. SKL. Nakikita nyo ba yung mga yan? Yan sa box. Hindi normal yan, di ba? Hindi normal yan. Yung mga dent. Yan yung mga yan. Yan. Most likely sa akin yan. Daliri ko yan. Ganito kasi yan. Oh. Mahal. Uy. Ito, hindi ka pa binibili. Tagal mo na dito. Ganda talaga. Mahal pa rin. Uy. Dito ka pa. Ganda talaga. Mahal pa rin. Uy. Ayos. Dito ka pa. What the hell? Mahal mo kasi. Wala talaga. Wala. Akin na to ah. Reserve na to sa 2020 po. Wala talagang bibili. Puputo New Year na. Wala talaga. Akin to. Ayaw. Bahala kayo. Hanggang sa umabot ng 2 years. In 2 years? Dang. That's it for the box. Let's cast him loose. Let's go. And here he is out of the packaging. Look at him. Look at the gloriness of this figure. Surprisingly, may bigat siyang konti. Let's take a look at the details. Oy, for a figure like this, as you can see, those wrinkles, what do you call this? Design do sa costume. I mean, why? How? Wait, like how? Niscan nila yung costume tapos ginawa nila ng mold? No? I guess. Ito yung back. Side. Look at that. Very nice figure. Dang, son. My first ever McFarlane DC Multiverse figure. Articulation. Let's go. The first up, head side to side, and side to side, up. Uy, medyo mataas yung up niya. Down, mas lalim down. Ganda. Umikot din yan. Up and down. Shoulders up. Can move 360 bicep. Yan, bicep ha. Anyway, what the heck is that? What the heck is that a joint? Is that a joint?
A few moments later.
Back to the figure. Bicep. Shoulder mikot. Butterfly joint. Uy. Okay din. Bicep. Double jointed elbow. Wrist. Back and forth. Turn around. You know. Angas. Chan. Uy. Waist. Uy. Puta, kompleto to. Sa ganito kalaking video, siyempre kompleto dapat yan. Ugh! The heck is go? Look like you're wearing a brief boxers. Beautiful spready, double jointed knees, and ankle rockers. May toe pa. Bam! Ooh, McFarlane. I'm impressed, McFarlane. Dapat man lang sinamahan siya ng close fist, alternate hands, pero para siyang may gustong hawakan o gawin. Keyboard kasi, keyboard ha. Nerdy, maagot mag-computer. Keyboard ha. Keyboard. Pinag-iisip. Hey! Nag-iisip. Oh, pangina. What in the fuck? Nag-prep ako para sa another shot. Putang ina yung nilaro ko o pinost-post ko. Putang ina nahulog yung kamay. Shit. What the fuck? Look at that. Clean cut. I don't know what happened. It just fell off. Buti medyo ano to. Rubberize. Itong part na to. Kaya matanggal ko to. Tapos yung piece, yung joints, abit ko ulit yan. Size comparison. Nipotol, let's go. Godzilla X Kong, the new empire. Scar King, Godzilla, DC Spin Masters, Black Adam, from Ultraman Nexus, Dark Mephisto. Last but not the least, my previous figure review, Deformation, Gigantic SD. Overall, this figure is bad. not unless I fix the arm and yeah, but the figure is great. Kundi lang nasira. Shit. Sa akin na. Fuck. Saan makakabili? Oh shit, nahulog yung kamay. Saan makakabili ka mo? Sa TK lang to. Doon lang ako tambay, doon ko lang siya nakita. Baka makita mo pa rin siya hanggang ngayon. Huwag ka lang matulad sa akin. Ayusin ko na. And that's it for this one. Thank y'all for watching. Whoa, tinabla na ako ng antok. Hit like, subscribe, leave a comment down below what you think about the figure and the movie. And I'll see y'all on the next round.
A few inches later.
What a night. This is the... Tulog na lang natin to.